Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You just have to place a hopper underneath your jukebox, point the hopper into a dropper, take a comparator output from the dropper to power it, and finally just point it up into a second hopper leading right back into the jukebox, the 30th of July 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
With the Infinite Jukebox, you can create a never-ending and ever-changing version of any song. The app works by sending your uploaded track over to the Echo Nest, where it is decomposed into individual beats. This information is used to create a detailed song graph of paths though similar sounding beats. 1 November 2012.
Take our lead.
This no longer works, as jukeboxes give off a redstone signal when there is a disc in the box. Since they do not eject a disc when a song ends, the jukebox keeps emitting a redstone signal, meaning that the hoppers stay locked, preventing this feature from working.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Assuming that you got Minecraft before 2017, the reason why is because Pocket Edition got its soundtracks and discs in its 1.0 update in 2017. Users who had PE before 2017 had to download a separate module for the game for the sounds to load. Even by updating Minecraft PE, you can't hear the ambience or music discs.
Let's help you make your mark.
When a creeper is killed by a piglin, it should drop Pigstep. Just like when a creeper is killed by a skeleton, it drops a overworld music disc. This would make obtaining the disc and any other future nether discs easier to get, still challenging though, and make them renewable. 11 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.